Hi everyone, my name is Rishi and I'm one of the support engineers with Bhumi. In today's topic, let us see how we can form an encoded URL for an HTTP client connection. So I've developed my process, but what I observe is this particular endpoint is working fine in Postman, but not working fine in Boomi. So if you see in Postman, I'm getting 200 success. It's a simple REST call with get method. I'm just passing these parameter values, the special characters, all this stuff in my URL, but it is somehow failing in my integration. So if you check it here, the same values I'm getting it passing this in in my REST API. So if you check this operation, I'm setting this C URL, resource URL, and sending the authorization and accept headers. And basically, this URL is getting replaced with this DPP encoded URL. Uh, so in the encoded URL, I'm just passing the current data. Okay. So if you see, if I click on test button, it is failing with 400 bad requests. Just executing the process to show you the exact issue. Okay, so if I click on the response from the target application, I got 400 bad request. Okay, HTTP with 400 bad requests, and it says the request is badly formed. I've done everything as per the postman, but uh, some characters like space will not be supported, and you should be replacing it with corresponding encoded values, which is percentile 20 for space, dollar for percentile 24. So you should be checking for the characters, supported characters, and you can use the supported characters for the unsupported characters. That is not parsable. You should be replacing with its corresponding encoded value, which is percentile 20 for space. So I will use my data process here. I already have one. So I'm just replacing data process. I'm just adding a data process to replace the space with percentile 20. Where exactly I'm using the space? If you see here in my URL, I have a character here with space, which is not supported in Boomi. It's not Boomi. It's an this encoding will not happen automatically in the connector. You just need to replace the parsable characters, I mean, not unparsable characters with its encoded value. So you can this can be simply done with search and replace with this text to find space and replace with percentile 20, and that should resolve your issue. I will just click on send test, and I should be getting an valid response with 200 status code. Let just triggered the test button. Let the execution be run successfully. Yeah, it is completed. Now, if you check the response, we'll have some data. Okay. Now it is successful. Earlier, this is a data issue. That's why I'm not receiving any values here. So this is how we can encode an URL. I mean, this is how URL encoding is done by using a simple data process shape here. Thanks for listening to this video to this and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.